Hey and welcome. In this Lightroom Classic tutorial, I'm going to give you a basic overview of the Lightroom modules. Here I'm in the library module. This is where you organize your photos as well as import and export. You can also apply different tags or color tags and accept or reject the images. And then you can also apply some keywords if you want for better sorting. Then we have the develop module, which is the cream of the crop. This is where you're going to bring your photos to life or apply your own magic. So this is what we'll be learning majority of the time in this Lightroom Classic tutorial. And then going to the map module, if your camera has GPS coordinates enabled or the feature or tool, then you can apply and tag your photos with GPS coordinates, and then you'll be able to view it in Lightroom. So here, this is Patagonia, and here are the GPS coordinates of the photo. Now going to the book module, this is great if you want to make albums, like a family photo album or a wedding album. This is where you would come to set up your book or your album. You can also export the album into a printing company, such as Blurb here. Or you can also export it to a PDF, and there's going to be other options as well. The slideshow, I don't use it a lot. The slideshow module, mainly it's just to make presentations either through a video or PDF mainly. And yeah, it's not something most photographers use, but it's available if you want to use it. The printing or the print module, it's very important for color correcting or color grading your images. So if you do decide to print, you do want to use the print module just to make sure you don't waste money on prints and ink. And then we have the web. This is rarely used by most photographers since you can already use a website tool or a website builder such as WordPress or Squarespace or whatever is out there to display your photos online. But I'll give a quick tutorial of how to set that up. If you enjoyed this basic overview of the Lightroom modules, subscribe to my YouTube channel, give it a like, and follow me on Instagram. See you in the next video.